Good job. And then what did you say?
Star drive. First star I see tonight. I wish I might have the one I wish tonight.
Yay! Take a bow. Good job. Hi, Chloe. Mwah. Besito. You eating a brownie? What are you eating? Julia, stand up straight.
A brownie.
A brownie. Can you give Chloe a besito? Oh, you guys are so cute. Say hi.
Hi.
I love you.
I love you.
See you later.
See you later.
Oh, you give the camera a besito? That's really nice. Oh, so sweet, girls. Oh, okay, you have brownie on your face now, though. That's okay. How about mommy a besito? Mwah. Love you. Bye. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Chloe, say bye.